Hope you recovered after that loss to Costa Rica. Um, but anyway, we move on and we're into the second round where we'll face the United States soon. All right. Our update, just some quick team news. The team is leaving Florida today at 2 p.m. to head to Arlington, Texas. And Bobby Reid is traveling with the team after testing negative twice after doing two PCR tests. Now, the statement coming out of JFF reads like this: the player who tested positive last week has now received two negative PCR results over the last 2 days. Concacaf will allow him to fly with the delegation, but he will do a third test on Wednesday, which is today. The delegation will fly out of Orlando at 2 p.m. by charter. I guess that is for their safety, to Arlington, Texas. All right. So we're hoping and wishing the team safe travels and that they stay safe and away from people so nobody else can pick up the coronavirus. This is good news for us because everybody knows Bobby Reid is a vital starter and had an excellent first game and was taken out of the tournament due to testing positive last week or so. All right. So, guys, that is it. Some good news after a disappointing result. Please remember, like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more information. All right. Oh, and by the way, big up Sports Down the Middle. Eddie Guna, big up yourself. Also, big up the Formula Sports.